Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name is Lindsay Krantz. I own Strands Salon in Corning, New York. And if you don't already know me, I've been a stylist for 20 years and a salon owner for 4. And about a year and a half ago, I started learning and offering natural beaded rose extensions in my salon here. And people want to know all sorts of things about it. It's a new offering to the area. I'm the only person within probably 3 to 4 hours that offers this service at all. I'm in the continuing education program through Natural Beaded Rows Extensions. It is called DKW Academy, and I officially have webinars, homework, assignments. I have to upload model photos and create documents and pass all those things in order to graduate and become a preferred artist on their website and list. And basically I'm branded by Natural Beaded Rows Extensions to do what I'm doing. So it takes an intense amount of education to get NBR under your belt, and I practice almost every single day, and I am building my clientele. So if you are curious about knowing more about Natural Beaded Rows, you can stay and watch this video. I'm going to answer the top 3 questions that we normally hear. Also, you can click the link in my bio and learn more information there. Click the link anywhere I say click a link, you'll be able to get information from me. So if you want to know the top 3 questions that people ask about Natural Beaded Rows extensions, stay tuned. So the first thing that people ask is, can you see your extensions if the wind blows? Now, there are many different types of extensions. I'm not here to talk about anything that you may have experienced or seen on other people. I specialize in Natural Beaded Rows extensions, which is a beaded weft method. Now, the way our system works is you only have a maximum of 3 rows. So they are placed specifically following the shape of your head, and everything is completely colored, customized to match your end result and your hair color. So there is no pulling out of the bag, matching it on a swatch online, none of that. I custom color everything and your hair as well, so that everything is completely seamless. So when the wind does blow, or you wear your hair back, or you wear it in a high pony, no one can tell you have extensions. No one will know you have extensions, in fact, unless you tell them. Because even if you walk in with a shoulder length bob one day and the next day you have all this long luscious hair, people are gonna obviously see a difference, but they're not gonna be able to see your extensions. And that's definitely one of the pros of Natural Beaded Rows. Another question we get asked a lot is it expensive? Now, I'm not going to blow smoke or say anything that isn't true. This is a luxury item and a luxury service. It is an experience, it is a transformation, and it is for the woman who wants to invest in herself and her well-being and enjoy having dream hair that she's wanted her entire life. So this is an investment that you make and then you maintain it. However, once you get that initial investment out of the way, it's not much more than getting your regular foil and cut and, conditioning services. It's a little bit more because you're getting a luxury service, but it's not for everyone, and that's okay. I totally understand that. But yeah, if you want to invest in yourself and take the best care of yourself possible and have dream hair, it's not expensive. It's almost expensive not to have it, because what are you missing out on in your life if you just had a little bit more confidence and took that time to give yourself the experience of Natural Beaded Rows extensions? So another thing that people ask, is it hard to maintain? What do I have to do? Do I have to buy new hair every time? Do you throw it away? What does that look like? So it's very easy to maintain. Let's talk about your maintenance appointment with me. Every 6 to 8 weeks you come in, we assess your color, we take the rows out, we make sure everything's in great shape. Usually we're gonna have to do some sort of color to either your hair or the extension hair. And I have everything listed in package pricing, so it's really easy to understand once you become an NBR guest. So we'll do all of that. It's all inclusive. Everything's included in whatever we do. If you're doing, say, a consultation, I'll tell you every single thing that comes with your installation package and also your maintenance package, but you're going to be taken care of every step of the way. So then we do that every 6 to 8 weeks based on the density and the texture and how well you take care of your hair. But most people can go about 6 to 8 weeks. You come in and you get to hang out with me for a little while and you leave better than you came in because everything is all refreshed and it's super easy. Now, when you're maintaining these extensions at home, it will take you a couple weeks to get used to the styling, the blow drying, the shampooing, and all of that. But the beauty of NBR is that you don't have to do all that every single day. In fact, I tell you only shampoo maybe twice a week, sometimes 3 times if you're a sweaty kind of exerciser. That's fine. But yeah, you style it and blow dry it and do all the things on one day, and then you don't have to do anything for several days because Natural Beaded Rows holds style better. And if you're used to having fine flat hair that you have to struggle with every single day just to make look good for a few minutes, you're gonna be absolutely head over heels in how much time you save every single day because your hair is basically already done. You might need a little dry shampoo the day before you wash your hair, or you can touch up a couple curls on day 2 or day 3. But really, you're gonna absolutely love how much time you save with your maintenance of Natural Beaded Rows extensions. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this information about Natural Beaded Rows extensions. As always, if you have any questions, comment below, or you can click the link in my bio and just fill out the consultation form. Free consultation. It gives you all the information that you're looking for about Natural Beaded Rows and what it means to have them. And then also, I'm here for you. So if you're curious, if you want to know more, just fill that form out and we will get you all scheduled for your complimentary consultation. And thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.